Big up me G's them, big up me G's them. Just having myself and some more that please them. Big up me G's them, big up me G's them. Always happy, who know the reason. Thank God I'm glad right now. Come back and watch a vlog right now. So big up me G's them, big up me G's them. Just having myself and some more that please them.
G's right now me there. Chabas and knives them. Bigs them just gone on the road. And me there me I go cook. Chef time now. You don't know me I eat meat, me I consume meat, but me I cook meat for them. Curry chicken right now, and me I gonna make boiled dumpling and boiled ripe plant. You know what I mean? Me probably make salmon for myself. Me probably do stir fry and then do the salmon on the side. Me not sure yet, probably. So yeah, we're there. I'm just do it for you vlog and big up my G's them, and yeah, when everything chef up again, we'll check in back with the body forward back. So up it in a bit. So vlog world right about now we're here. Yesterday you don't know, say we cook food yesterday and everything go. Bigs over there playing music. Nice all the way over there. And today we about to go get a rental on the road because man him there. You know what I mean? And we're supposed to go pool. Right now I'm supposed to cook for we got the kitchen. You know what I mean? Nice sit down this listen and look. I'm about to fry some plantain right now. I'm probably do ripe plantain or same green plantain like yesterday. And I'm probably 1.5 yards. Yeah. So that's the pre for right now. I don't know where I'm going for. Yeah, me link on the back. So right now we're there and I deal with some garlic salmon, so you don't know where to do the margarine and the garlic and all them some there. Nice, you can't, you know so you can't, then can't sell this one. Because your knees are not so good for you.
Bun up now. You want to bend down. Yeah, that's very low. Watch me out so I can learn, you know, I'm going to up so. My tongue pescatarian too.
4. Come do something for me. Pour out some of these pandies. Now we add in the paprika, the cayenne pepper. Nice, I pour it. These are, you're afraid. Pour man, pour. Alright. Pour again. The man afraid to pour the pepper, my youth. Too much! Alright, joke, me make joke. Alright, pour this now, give me some of that. What meat? You have to take time with that, you know, because it pull already. Put them in. So boy, you don't want a salty fish. That's it. Not more, you see how easy for me? Not more than that. Now over for me now.
I know that's not the real one. That's not blue. Look at the inside.
Oh, you got a sponge in there? What's that for?
I'm going to ask you on my foot, so extra support.
Huh?
I got no arc in my foot, so it's extra support.
Alright, so I just put my salmon in the oven. Now I'm about to deal with my plantain. How far that treat you so far?
It's just, I want to go places, man. But it's too high. I'm sick, too.
So yesterday, one of people are saying they want a recipe for the ripe plantain, well the green plantain. There's no recipe. Only thing we basically do is just peel the plantain and soak in some salt water so it, you know, tastes better. So peel the plantain, regular green plantain, nothing hard about it. All the people don't know if you peel plantain in a nice can peel plantain. So regular green plantain, cut them like around this size. Cause you don't know you go squash them Sound like a 6 me I talk about though. Yeah. Alright, I'm showing them, just make sure. You don't need no more water in it than this. Just get some salt. And put it down for around 10-20 minutes with soak. And you're ready for fry. Yeah, so when them are ready for fry now, I'm going to link on the back. Right now, this is going for salmon, you know? It's a bubble up, Things are going, it's looking great, Right now, I'm fry up, you know what I mean? Look why I'm on the phone and talk to Enterprise for nice. And I tell the man say watch my food, and you know say man make me flitters make me something the flitters bun up. No flitters but me my fry back on them. Man fry back on them bun up. You want yourself a little salt me sprinkle up on them. Salmon bad, yo plant bad look why. And the salmon here. And you see how I make it, there's nothing really to it, it's just garlic, little butter, little cayenne pepper, and little all-purpose season, that's all. And the plantain them just have one salt on them, that's it. Something like, and nothing hard to cook. Right now what I do look like it's gonna rain, and we are planning to actually go to the pool right now, so I don't know what that's gonna go. But nice them there, them want to go pool. We have a party I go Saturday with squash I perform, Chabas I perform. So you know, so that's 6. I need to figure out one mall today because I have to go shopping. I don't have nothing for you for that. I need shoes, I need shirt, I need pants, I need everything. So we are going to probably in a latest to go look something for you Friday. But you don't know we're there. Chabas just text me because I see text come up on the screen because I have vlog on my phone. So yeah. Yo, food bad, you know? Yo, most people don't love salmon. Me a link on the back, soon coming. We just consumed the food. The food was delicious, it was wonderful. Right now, Nice and Bigs, them gonna Enterprise gonna pick up the car as me telling you, because we'll get a rental for the day. Well, for the rest of the remaining time while I'm going there. So yeah, because Chabas and Ricky supposed to go New York this week, probably tomorrow. And one of them there because Chabas have a show in New York. Chabas got a ding dong party Friday. This Friday ding dong party in Amazura, Queens. Ding dong I got the Chabas I got the Safari I got the Ricky Blaze I got the Shansi I got the and TJ I got the, you know what I mean? So I'll be a braffin, a mad move, a crazy thing. Chabas I go, Pink I go, and Ricky I go. Yeah. But right now, I'm there, I'm about to go feed the iguana. Chabas link me and say feed the iguana for him. So, you can see how that I go. A carrot him I get. Now I get not more than carrot. That's it. Sauce a carrot. Yo, I don't know how me end up a foreigner feed lizard. Lizard. Jesus. Me have to a greater carrot for lizard. For Jamaica, me kill him and put him in a ant's nest now. For Jamaica, me a long time, I kill the lizard and put him in a ant's nest, make ants yam the body. If you search for greater. If you greater carrot for lizard. Look here. It look like the right size. I'm sure if me kill him, Chabas I can find the body, you know. You not get no more than this. My lizard. Lizard can't eat no more than this. Look on this. This all look like it too much. sit down in it. No, it's feeding time, you know. Right, yeah. Yo, my G, where you run go? What are you running up and down? See, film dish, yeah? Now, me have to go. Crave all that like so. You don't need nothing more than that. And then we give you some water and that's it for the day. That's it for the day, and I need nothing more than that. Sunlight nicely and come back to. But if you go looking for nice and come back and get the lizard this some water. No one of them. Me think of them like a boy neighbor. The neighbor them come like a while. So alright, I'm telling you now what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna just edit the vlog here right now. I'm gonna put it up so when I get the vlog here for watch today and jump back in and start vlog right now. As me upload the vlog, I'm gonna just start vlog right now because I tell you where I got pull. You wonder if you can see sky. I don't know if it's clear enough or if you can see it, but yeah, out of do look bright, but the sky dark, so it look like rain cloud are falling. But as I said, I'm gonna just edit this, put it up phone so I can get this. Blessings and respect to everybody. Big up all of my G's them. And the vlog continue. Yeah, up it in.
Big up me G's them, big up me G's them. Just having myself find some more that please them. Big up me G's them, big up me G's them. Always happy, who know the reason. Thank God I'm glad right now. Come back and watch a vlog right now. So big up me G's them, big up me G's them. Just having myself find some more that please them.